Hello dear students, I am here with a grammar topic, rhetorical questions. This is an important grammar topic for our HSC board exams. The question will be asked in the exam to convert a statement into a rhetorical question, or sometimes you can be given rhetorical question to convert in a statement for 1 mark. What are rhetorical questions actually? Rhetorical question is a question only in form, but in meaning it is an emphatically made statement. Rhetorical question is a forceful statement to convey a thing which we want to. We use these rhetorical questions basically in our speeches for conveying something forcefully. These rhetorical questions make our sentences or our speech impressive, influential to the audience. It is a question asked only to gain an effect, not expecting any answers. The answer is implicit in itself. From negative question we get positive statement, and from positive question we get a negative statement. That as in add a question tag. It has been observed students commit mistakes here in add a question tag and rhetorical questions. Both the topic of grammar are different to each other, remember always. But the process which we do, some kind of procedure is same, how you will come to know. So the examples, your time is limited. If you are going to frame a rhetorical question for this statement, it would be, isn't your time limited? In this way. Second is, they aren't free from social conditioning. From this statement, if you want to make rhetorical question, it would become, are they free from social conditioning? Here you have observed, when a statement is affirmative, a rhetorical question is in negative form, and we have put question mark at the end instead of full stop because it is a question. Here also it has been observed students forgot to put a question mark in the exam. In above sentences, we began the sentence with auxiliary or helping verb to frame a rhetorical question that you observed, that you have seen. The sentence that don't have an auxiliary in it, what we have to do when there are no auxiliaries, no helping verb in the sentence? See the example. Today the rains fall on empty streets. If the statement is like, and you don't have any helping verb or auxiliary in it, only main verb is given, then what happens? See in answer, today don't the rain fall on empty streets. What we did, we started our rhetorical question with don't. We have borrowed a helping verb here because there were no helping verb in the statement, only main verb, and it was in present form, so we borrowed a present helping verb don't. If our verb was false, then we had to take doesn't. So it is false, so we have taken don't. Okay, now see, but don't forget to change the tense of the main verb while framing rhetorical question. This is important. When you frame rhetorical question, sometimes we forget to change that verb past into present or any other form. See the example, we became part of a larger reality. In this sentence, our verb is in past tense, so answer will start with did. No helping verb in the sentence. So sentence would become, didn't we become part of a larger reality? Question mark. What we have done? Became changed into become in present tense. And we started the sentence with did. Actually it is past tense. See the next one. He never tries to be the first. The same sentence, if you are going to convert in rhetorical, it will become affirmative because our sentence is negative. No helping verb is here. Only one main verb is there, and that is tries. So we have to take or start sentence with does. See the answer. Does he ever try to be the first? Question mark. In this way we have to convert that sentence into a rhetorical question. Okay students, hope you liked this video and understood how the sentences are converted into rhetorical questions. Thank you very much for watching this video.